Hi everyone, my name's Dennis. I'm with Columbanus Motor Sports, 3500 IH10 Orange, Texas. We're excited and we wanted to show you what we're bringing to the Lake Charles RV and Boat Show. We're going to have two of our incredible Vanderhalls over there on display. These things are great. Sell a bunch of them, 4-cylinder front wheel drives. Y'all come by the Lake Charles Boat Show and RV Show and take a look at them. We also sell Honda, Hyson, Indian motorcycles, Triumph. We have an outdoor power department that sells lawn equipment. So please come see us at the Central Gulf Coast Boat, Sport, and RV Show, January the 13th through the 15th.